Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share full body polishing Ubtan soap that removes suntan, dark patches, blemishes and gives fair, bright and glowing skin. So yeah, without wasting any more further time, let's get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel and watching my videos for the first time, then do not forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to see all my upcoming latest videos first. And it's completely free of cost. To prepare this soap, you need any glycerin based soap. Here I'm using a PS soap as it is 98% pure glycerin and it's very pure and gentle to our skin. So now I'm cutting my soap in small cubes form. So after cutting it, keep it aside and now let us prepare our Ubtan. Take a clean bowl. Into this add 1 tablespoon of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of multani mitti, some rose petal powder and finally half spoon of organic turmeric powder. Now mix all the powdered ingredients very well. So our Ubtan is also ready. Now coming to the preparation, add the soap base into a vessel and melt it by using double boiler method. Once it is melted, then I am going to add 2 tablespoons of the Ubtan which we have prepared. Now mix it well. Meanwhile, I am applying some Vaseline to the soap mold which I am going to transfer my soap base. So I have transferred my soap base into this mold and you can keep it in freezer or you can even leave it in room temperature to set it. So after few hours our homemade Ubtan soap is ready. You can see how cute this soap is. Use this amazing body polishing Ubtan soap daily and you can notice lot of difference in the texture of your skin. Do try this and share your experience. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe and